Hi guys, welcome to the SOC Classic Tech Class 8 English 2.3 The Little River. Today we are going to look the chit chat of this poem. So there are the four questions in the chit chat. You must have been for family or class picnic to the Riverside picnic spot. So you have to give the answer of the following questions. When you go with your family or with your classmate for a picnic on the riverside. So let's see the following question. The little river. Chit chat. You may WhatsApp us for more educational videos. Then I will send the educational video on your WhatsApp number. So guys, this is the class 8 English chit chat. As you must know about the river. River contains the water, and that water travel the thousands of kilometer distance, and while it traveling the distance, it carries the garbage, plastic, and any more pollutant with that. So we should keep clean the river for our future. So let's see today's chit chat of the little river. First question is that what did you notice on the banks of the river? Many times we visit the river, we said there is a lot of the trees, grass on the banks of the river. So the answer is that we went to the picnic and saw the banks of the river covered with the grass and trees. Sometime there may be temple of the god. So this is the answer of the first question. Let's see the second question. In which season did you go? Was the river flow gushing or gentle? Answer is we went during the rainy season and river flow was turbulence or gushing. That means river had a floods. Turbulence water was flowing in the river blanks. Did you notice other people by the river? What were they doing? We noticed the people were doing the fishing and enjoying the rainy season. Many times we go to the bank of the river for the fishing, for taking the photos, or enjoying our day. So river blanks become a tourist spot for us. So this is our answer of the question number 3. What should we do to make sure that the river do not get polluted? The answer is when the people went there don't leave the wastage material like a plastic bags, plastic bottles, etc. Don't throw anything in the river. So you must don't throw anything in the river basins. You should keep the clean the river that may result the aquatic animal don't get harm. Otherwise they get harm, they may be died, they may be vanished from the earth. So we have keep in the mind that's our responsibility to keep the river clean. And one thing you should remember that the today's big issue that the forest fire of the Amazon jungle was rapidly increasing in the area. So that is the make worry about the Amazon jungles and its animal. So let's see the next question, which is based on the fill up the table season in India. So mid February to the mid April, the season that called the Vasant. English name is the spring. Mid April to the mid June, Grishma, which called in English summer. Mid June to mid August, Varsha, means monsoon. Mid August to mid October, Sharad, Autumn. Mid October to mid December, Hemant, pre-winters, means before the winter. Mid December to mid February, Shishir, means winter. So these are the seasons in the India. Match the weather with the season. Winter. In winter we feel cold. Monsoon region we feel the rain or it a rainy season. Spring it's a pleasant. Pre-winter means cool. Summer hot. Autumn means windy. So this is the season and weather. Poet makes a poem musical and different from prose by using the many poetic devices. One of them use a word that begin with the same sound in the same time. Means this word start with the B, and second one is start also B, means beautiful bird, sad song, stepping stone, city site, same pronunciation. No one knows. So these are the same pronunciations or same sound of the word. This device is called the alliteration or belong to set the similar device. Name figure of speech add to the beauty of the poem. Now we have to write the 5 pair of the word that begin with the same sound. Seashells, big bad bears, gather the greens, lazy lizards, grey geese, Betty bought butters. So these are the alliteration from the poem. So guys, you have to make the word from these big words. Here is given the one words. You have to make the 4 or 5 6 letter words and write them down. So there is I don't have write the letter with the 4 or 5. They may contain the 3 or 4 letters. Okay, we have made the following letters: poem, poet, moon, top, it, map, and remaining words you have to find out. In such a way that we have completed our the chit chat of the little river. And next video we will going to explore the meaning of the poem The Little River. For that video you have to tune with our channel. For that you have to subscribe our channel, and you have to stay connected with us by the WhatsApp. So you have to send the WhatsApp message on us. Thanks for watching this video.